In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a site on Webflow. This process is an essential part of managing your projects efficiently, especially if you need to temporarily remove a site without permanently deleting it. Archiving allows you to keep your workspace tidy while still having the option to restore the site later. First, you'll need to open Webflow and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Find the site you want to archive. This is an important step because selecting the right site ensures you don't accidentally archive something else. Once you've located the correct site, you'll notice 3 dots or a settings icon next to the site name on your dashboard. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu with a few options. Here's where it gets a bit tricky. In Webflow, the option you're looking for is not labeled as Delete but has been renamed to Archive. This is a crucial point to remember, as archive is the action that temporarily removes the site, keeping it out of immediate view without actually deleting it permanently. So go ahead and click on Archive. After clicking Archive, Webflow will prompt you to type specific words or a phrase to confirm that you actually want to archive this site, as a safeguard to prevent accidental archiving. This might seem like an extra step, but it's there to ensure you really mean to archive the site and helps to avoid any mishaps. You'll see these words on your screen. I find it easiest to just copy the phrase provided right there, as it ensures you don't make any typographical errors. Now, paste the copied text into the text box provided, and once you've done that, click on the Archive Site button. This button finalizes the process, moving the site into the archive. After you've clicked Archive Site, your site will be safely archived. Archiving a site moves it into the archived section within Webflow, so you can always restore it if you change your mind or need it back. This is a great feature because it doesn't delete your hard work permanently, but rather tucks it away out of sight while still holding on to all the valuable data and design you've created. And that's it. Your site is now archived, making your workspace a little cleaner. Archiving is a great way to manage your projects without losing any important work. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Webflow tips.